Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we'll be solving another challenging question from rational equations. The given equation is 3 minus square root x whole power 4 over square root x plus x square over 3 minus square root x equal to 33 over 2. We have to find out all real solutions. So let's get started by writing our substitution straight away. Let 3 minus root x is equal to square root of y. Let's apply. So I will be writing here root y whole power 4, this equation, divided by root x. So it will be root x plus x square divided by root y equal to 33 over 2. Now root y whole power 4. We can write it is y power half whole power 4. Now using exponential property, a power b whole power c, it can be written as a power b times c. So I will be writing y power half times 4. So this will become y power 2 or y square. So let me write here y square over root x plus x square over root y equal to 33 over 2. And from first equation, our substitution, this one, I can write root x plus root y equal to 3. So let me call this equation is equation number 1 and let me call this is our equation number 2. Let me write here root x plus root y equal to 3, first equation, and second equation is x square over root y plus y square over root x equal to 33 by 2. Now I will consider another substitution as we have radical terms. So let us consider square root x is equal to a and square root y equal to b. So I will be writing our first equation as a plus b equal to 3. Second equation, if I will write, then it will become x square. So it will become a power 4 over root y, so b, plus y square. So I will write b power 4 divided by root x, so a. Right hand side will be 33 by 2. Once I will take LCM, I will be writing a power 5 plus b power 5 divided by ab equal to 33 over 2. Or I can write a power 5 plus b power 5 equal to 33 over 2 times ab. Now I will consider finally these two equations. A plus b equal to 3 and this equation a power 5 plus b power 5 is equal to 33 over 2 times ab. Let me write here a plus b equal to 3. Now I will consider squaring and cubing of this equation. So let me write here squaring and here I will be writing cubing. So I can write here straight away a square plus b square plus twice ab. So let us consider ab equal to t. So I can write here plus 2t or 2ab equal to 3 square. So a square plus b square value, it will be plus twice t equal to 9. Or I can write a square plus b square will be 9 minus 2t. Now let us consider sum of cubes also. So I will write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, and right hand side will be 3 cube. Now from here a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, ab is t. So I will write 3 times t, a plus b is 3, 3 cube is 27. So from here I can write a cube plus b cube plus 90 equal to 27. Or I can write a cube plus b cube value, it is equal to 27 minus 90. Now we have a cube plus b cube ready, and we have a square plus b square ready. Let us utilize our equation. It was a power 5. Let me write here. A power 5 plus b power 5. This was 33 over 2 times ab. So I will find out a5 plus b power 5. So let me take product of both. A square plus b square times this and this. A cube plus b cube. Right hand side I will write 9 minus 2t and 27 minus 90. Once I will multiply a square with a cube, it will become a power 5. B square with b cube, b power 5. A square b cube plus a cube b square. So I can take a square b square common. In bracket will have a plus b. Right hand side I can write 9 minus 2t as it is. From this bracket I will take 3 common out. So it will become 9 minus 3t. Let's apply this value. So I will write here a power 5 plus b power 5 value as 33 by 2 ab. 33 by 2 ab plus a square b square will be t square, and a plus b is 3. So I will write 3t square. And right hand side is 3 times 9 minus 2t times 9 minus 3t. Now you can see AB is there, so I will replace AB with t. So it will become 33 by 2t plus 3t square. Let me write here 33 by 2t plus 3t square equal to 3 times 9 plus 2t. It is 9 minus 2t. 9 minus 2t, in other bracket 9 minus 3t. Now this whole equation is divisible by 3, so let's divide by 3. So I will write 11 by 2 times t plus t square equal to 9 minus 2t, then 9 minus 3t. Now I will take LCM in LHS. So it will become 11t plus 2t square divided by 2 equal to 9 minus 2t, 9 minus 3t. Now cross multiply or multiply this equation by 2. So I will write 2t square plus 11t. This will be equal to 2 times. Now take this product. I will write 81, then minus 9 times 3, minus 27 plus 18, minus 45t. Then we'll have 6t square. Now let's multiply. As we can see, we cannot divide further. So now I will be writing here 2t square plus 11t. This will be equal to 162 minus 90t plus 12t square. Take all the term to RHS. 12t square minus 2t square, 10t square. Now minus 90 minus 11. So minus 101t and plus 162 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in t. I will use method of factorization. So let me write here 10t square, then it was minus 101t plus 162 equal to 0. Now I will write our middle term as 10t square unchanged. Then I will be writing minus 20t minus 81t. This is a split of 101t plus 162 equal to 0. Now from first to 10t is common. So I will write t minus 2 in the bracket. Last two minus 81 is common. T minus 2 will be left in the bracket. So overall factorization is done. T minus 2 times 10t minus 81 equal to 0. Conclusion is t minus 2 will be 0. From here we can write t equal to 2. T was our substitution AB. So let me write here AB. And from this bracket I will be writing 10t minus 81 equal to 0, or t is equal to 81 by 10. I can consider 8.1 also. Now this is again the value of AB. So two values of AB is there. Now our equation number 1 was A plus B equal to 3. So I can write immediately here A plus B equal to 3. And second equation of AB, it is 2. This is one system. And second system I will write from this value of AB. A plus B is 3. AB is equal to 8.1. Let us solve both one by one. So I will write here A plus B equal to 3, AB equal to 2. Here A plus B equal to 3, AB equal to 8.1. Let's solve system number 1. So sum of roots, product of roots known to us. I will frame one quadratic equation whose roots are A and B. Itself in A square minus sum of roots times A plus product of roots equal to 0. So from here I can write A minus 1 times A minus 2. This will be factorization, or we can apply quadratic formula also. So from here A minus 1 will be 0, A minus 2 will be 0. Conclusion is A equal to 1 and 2. Now come to this system. I will write quadratic equation as A square minus sum of roots, so minus 3A plus product of roots equal to 0. If I will only check discriminant, we can write delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. So minus 3 square minus 4 times A times 8.1. So if you will see, this is 9 and it is more than, so let me write here value 32.4. So this value will be negative. Conclusion is complex solution will be there. And we are looking for real solutions. So we will reject this solution. Now this solution is accepted solution. Now if you will remember, our substitution was root x is equal to a. So I will write here root x, this was equal to a, equal to 1 comma 2. Consider squaring. So x will be equal to 1 square and 2 square. So our answer will become x is equal to 1 comma 4. Means two solutions are there, 1 and 4. And this brings the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget friends to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.